I'm Stephen here from Halcyon, bringing you the final Halcyon review for 2016. Well, it's been a very busy year with a number of key changes announced with regards to superannuation and Centrelink, and we thought we'd just use this opportunity for our final review to give you a summary of the key changes that have been announced, legislated, and will commence from 2000. With regards to superannuation, whilst we had covered off proposals in a previous Halcyon review, now that these changes have been legislated, we just wanted to summarise some of the key changes that will take effect from 1 July 2017. The first key change is that the amount that can be put into superannuation on an after-tax or what's referred to as a non-concessional basis is reducing to $100,000 per annum, or you can bring forward up to $300,000 in a single year using what's known as a bring forward provision. The second key change relates to the amount that can be put onto superannuation on a pre-tax basis or from employer superannuation contributions referred to as concessional contributions. This limit will reduce to $25,000 per annum from 1 July, remembering that threshold is the combined total of the employer superannuation guarantee, salary sacrifice, and any personal deductible contributions that you may be eligible to make. So the third key change relates to the amount of money that an individual can have in the pension phase of superannuation. From 1 July 2017, as you can see, the maximum amount will be $1.6 million. Any amount in excess of that will need to either be transferred back to accumulation phase or will need to be withdrawn from the superannuation account. The final change we wanted to recap on relates to the amount of money you can have in superannuation before you're precluded from making any further non-concessional contributions. From 1 July, as you can see, that amount will be $1.6 million, though it's important to note that if you're still working and have that amount in super, your employer is still eligible to make contributions on your behalf. In addition to superannuation, the other key change that's about to commence relates to Centrelink. For those of you that are in receipt of the age pension, you may well have received a letter from Centrelink recently telling you what your new entitlement will be from 1 January 2017. In some cases, some of you may have had a slight increase, but unfortunately we know that there's a number of our clients whose pensions will be reduced or indeed may even cease from 1 January 2007. Found that a useful summary of the key changes that have been announced. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us here, and obviously we'll be in discussions with those of you that these changes are relevant for through 2017. On a final note, on behalf of Brendan, Dan, myself and all the team here at Halcyon, we'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, a happy and prosperous, safe 2017, and we look forward to dealing with you all in the new year. Thanks for now, and we'll talk to you again in the new year.